Hello, hello, hello. How you doing, beautiful people? Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for the amazing likes, comments, requests, shares. I really appreciate just all the appreciation and also the amazing comments that I'm getting. I really appreciate every single one of you. If you have any questions or recommendations on any charts or stocks, crypto, anything, any kind of charts, any chart with a pattern, with a candlestick, I mean, I can go ahead and mark that up if you have any recommendations or like me to look into anything that possibly you're looking at, maybe want a second opinion on whatever. But yeah. Thank you for tuning in. Today we have Nokia, and we're on the 4 hour, but I'm gonna dive a little bit lower into the time frame just so I can give you a basically like in the now kind of scope on what I would like to see. So in case if you do have Nokia on your list, you can actually dive in possibly today. So again, we have Nokia here. Their ticker symbol is NOK. And we are going to be jumping right into the M15 time frame since it's a little bit more not cleaner, but it's more enticing. So with Nokia, I already see that it actually started coming down here as far as today in the afternoon, and it kind of turned around and gave us basically a bullish entry coming from this area. So when an area usually gets broken out to, I like for me and my own like strategy, I like for it to come back down into that area so then I can kind of get like a move going towards the upside. So from this point, I would have possibly seen like the breakout of this area of the zone. My stop loss would actually went under this area here, and then I would have targeted, this high here. I would like to go for at least a minimum of two rewards. So if I'm targeting anything, it would possibly be around the $11 mark. And then I would just wait for that to actually fruition and then take any profits at that point and just see if that exceeds it. I know some people say they like to trade options contracts. So if you were to enter a contract when it was at $10.50 or around there, and then actually take that going towards the upside, and then this would all be basically profit. And that's basically all you really do in this kind of case. But hopefully by tomorrow morning, you can kind of get, excuse me, you can kind of get the bounce play off of that if it comes back into this area of 1050 and then continue going upward. Let's see what we can get. So yeah, I mean, so far um my calls have been spot on. Again, this is just for educational purposes only, but I do just like to be able to give this kind of insight on YouTube as far as like the skill set and things like that, because I know a lot of individuals want to find another way out from the rat race, and learning these charts and patterns and things like that is very, very important because it does involve money, and obviously you need to be able to make money in these kind of days. So with that being said, thank you so much for tuning in. Again, if you have any questions or recommendations, leave them in the comments section down below. And thank you for watching, and have a great day and a great and profitable week as well. Thank you.